What is up, Pyros? Today we're taking a look at another Legend fireworks. This is a 500-gram 9-shot cake. I'm really excited to take a look at this. I've seen a lot of good reviews, and when I shot these on 4th of July, they had some really tall, wide breaking breaks. So I'm really interested to see what an individual cake on its own will be like. See if we can find a performance somewhere around here. Am I really running right past it? Not the front or the sides. Nope. I want to say no. So it doesn't have a performance on here, but I know it's 9 big, decent-sized breaks, so I'm really interested to see what it will look like. Obviously, we got the inside diameter. I'd say probably what, inch and a quarter, maybe inch and a half tubes. Pretty decent size inserts. It's a pretty hefty cake, but I'm sure if I tore down into there, see, we got a little weight. I don't see any weights down in there. So, oh, we have the fiberboard bottom. That's what it is. I don't know if you can see down in there. But I think it's time that we take a look at it. So we have 9 Bad Reasons by Legend Fireworks. It's a 500-gram 9-shot cake. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I'll see all you Pyros next week with another demo video.